I'm going to show you how I make a messy bun because that's my name, right? I tried doing this on live and apparently I have no sound because my phone is messed up. So I'm doing a recording and hopefully that will work better. We're going to make a messy bun with some of my favorite accessories and show you how to do it without ripping out your hair. I'm going to show you several different products and ways to do it. One way, you're going to make a band. Stay tuned because I'll show you how to do it without making a band, okay? Just wrap that piece of hair around. And boom, boom, done, okay? And there's my messy bun. It will stay up all day. I can leave this in for a couple days and it'll stay, all right? I know I've shown you a tight bun many times, but I don't think I've actually ever shown you the messy bun. So let's do that one more time, and then I'm going to show you some different accessories with that method, and then I'll show you the other method. Doesn't really matter where the band comes from or how big it is. You just want it big enough to catch the accessories. So you see that band right there? These are what I just showed you was the Swerve Upin. This comes in 2 sizes, so if you have shorter, thinner, lighter hair or less density than mine, then you might want to get the smaller one. Okay, so this is our Luxe Upins. I use 2 of these. Find the band, stick it in, touch your scalp, flip, and push. And then I'm going to take this other one and just put it anywhere else and push. And now I have a nice safe for my hair messy bun. Okay, I'm going to leave the band in so you don't have to rewatch that 100 times. Other option is a hair stick. Same thing. Find the band and then find the band on the other side for this one to hold good. If you need 2 hair sticks, you can do that as well. But there, I'm good to go. Whoop. Lost that. We also have several decorative hairbands. Upins. Like this that have decoration on the top. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to do it without having to do that band. Okay, this one's my favorite when I want to look nice. This is called the Flexi 8, and we just take a hair stick, hold on to your band. I've got this like in an L shape. Hook it with your finger. Grab this and stick that hair stick on the other side. That one's super tight. This is, I think, an extra small. I usually go with a small, and it doesn't have to be quite so tight. And there, I'm good to go. And I have pretty things. This is the puppy one hair stick. I think it's called Paws. It's the hair stick with the little puppy print. We have so many hair sticks. Next option is a Flexi clip. This is called the Simple Band. This one is a size medium. I typically wear a small, but because I have my hair looped like this, it's thicker. So I'm moving up to a size medium. So just make your loop. Now if you want to pull hair out to make it look however you want to, you can still do that safely, okay? You can tighten it also just like a ponytail. All right, so you can make this hair go wherever you want it to go in that pretty loop. And now you look like a professional messy bun maker, all right? Hope that was helpful to you guys. Please let me know if you have questions and what other hairstyles you want to see. Love you. Hope you're staying safe and healthy.